It's like an air hockey.
I'm not touching it.
The memories of the velvet hammers you used to have at
Wait, scoot
tailgate parties in college.
Ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho.
How well it holds it. There, you just stick your tongue in that.
No.
Ho, ho, ho. What is this stuff?
It's like witch's brew.
It's
Carmen dioxide?
it's dry ice, which is
No, but what is this? What's the
the
frog?
evaporation
it's-
of the
it's-
gas.
Oh, there's one, Dad. I don't want to touch it.
It's
If I want this.
Mike.
There was a sheet that came with it. Here, is there any of those papers over there?
Should I stick it in?
No. No, look underneath the other sheet that's there, hon.
Carbon dioxide. Compressed carbon dioxide.
Can I hold it?
Is the cup cold?